here with another crafts video, but usually I do 5-minute crafts. This time I'm doing 1-minute crafts. Since you guys really like my 5-minute crafts series, I decided to do 1-minute crafts because if you guys have seen my 5-minute craft videos, you guys know that they're not all like actually 5 minutes. They're kind of between like 5 minutes to 20 minutes. So I decided to do like the quickest and easiest crafts, like super simple, easy crafts you guys can do, and compile it into one video. So these crafts are all around roughly 1 minute to do, super easy and super great DIYs. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you aren't already and turn on your notifications so that you never miss an upload. Also follow me on Instagram at Brianna Renee. I'm actually going to Hawaii very soon, so if you guys want to see all my Hawaii pictures, make sure you are following me on there. I'm going to be like on my story a lot and posting pictures, so you guys don't want to miss that. And yeah, let's just hop right into the video. The first DIY in this video is a really fun and easy way to spice up an old pair of sunglasses. So I'm taking some Mod Podge and I am pouring that onto a plate. Then I'm going in with glitter and pouring that on top, and I'm going to be mixing that all together to make a thick, glittery mixture kind of thing. Once that is all mixed up, grab a paintbrush and start applying it to your sunglasses. So as you can see, I've kind of decided to apply it on the arms of the sunglasses, but you could totally apply this all over if you want. That could definitely be a look. But these are how mine turned out. I think they're really cute and fun, just a really cute little easy DIY. For this next DIY, we are going to be taking a plain, simple hat and just doing a little something to spice it up. Nothing too extreme, very easy. I am taking this little cactus patch, which is adorable, and I'm going to be applying it onto the hat. Michaels has a lot of really cute patches, and the reason why I love the patches from Michaels is because they are non-sew or non-iron. All you have to do is peel the part off the back and stick it right on the hat, so it is so easy and simple, much better than like all the other patches. This DIY is literally like a 30-second DIY. It is that quick and easy to do, and I just think the hat is so much cuter with the patch. I recently picked up this cute little cactus plant, but the plant pot is kind of boring, so I decided I wanted to spice it up a little bit. So to do that, I am taking some stickers. I am taking the B, the R, and the I to spell out Brie. And yeah, I'm just applying those stickers on. You guys could totally do your name or a nickname like I did, or you could do a quote. That could be really cute as well. You guys can write whatever you guys want. Once you have all the stickers on, it is time to grab a marker, and I'm using this gold metallic Sharpie because I thought that would be cute. And I'm basically just doing dots all around the letters. Because you're putting dots all around the stickers, when you peel the stickers away, you're still going to be able to see the letters. So whatever word or phrase you had, you'll still be able to see it when you peel the stickers away. I love this DIY. I think it is a quick and adorable way to customize pretty much anything. Obviously, I did this to a plant pot, but you could do it to a mug or whatever you want to do it to. This next craft is kinda extra, but I mean, would you expect anything less from me? For this, you're just going to need some flat-backed tacks, some Mod Podge, and some buttons. So taking the Mod Podge, I am putting that onto the back of the tack, and then of course taking the button and sticking that on. I just used buttons that I had around the house, but you could totally go out and buy way cuter ones than the ones that I'm using. I just decided to work with what I had. And this is what they look like when they're done. Obviously, I'm just kind of using them as decoration on this cork board, but they're totally functional if you want to use it to hang up things like posters or whatever you want. If you have a million makeup brushes like me, then you know having some kind of organization system for it is totally necessary. So what I like to do is actually use beads. I will pour that into a container. I just got this cute little gray one, and I'm filling that up pretty much completely to the top with beads. Then you can just stick your makeup brushes right in there, and the beads make it so that the makeup brushes stand up, so it's a great way to like display them and keep them organized. To get started on this craft, I am taking a tennis ball and a knife, and I am just cutting a little slit into the tennis ball. So this is what it should look like when you're done with that step. It's supposed to resemble a mouth. Now we're going in with some googly eyes to make the rest of the face. The final step for this DIY is to add Velcro. So you just want to take one of the squares and stick that on the back of the tennis ball, then take the other square and you can put that on the wall or whatever you want to stick it to, and then you can attach the tennis ball to the wall or whatever you decided to stick it to. Now, as you can see, I'm sticking the keys into the mouth because that is like the purpose of this DIY. It's like a little key holder, so you can put it by the door before you leave and you can grab your keys, and it's super cute and kind of weird, but like cute. So we are going to be turning this picture frame into a really cute customized whiteboard. So the first step is just to take all the stuff that's inside of the frame out. Now, taking one of the papers from that frame, I'm actually setting that on top of some really cute scrapbooking paper, and I'm going to be using that as a guide so that I can get the correct size to fill up the frame. Once that's all cut out, I'm putting that into the frame and obviously putting the back on it as well. And yeah, that's pretty much all you have to do. Now you can draw on it. I mean, you could have drawn on it before, but it wasn't cute before. Now it's cute. But I love this DIY. Obviously, it's super quick and easy to do, and it's just like a cute decoration for your room. I definitely recommend doing this one. Next, we are going to polka dot our phone charger. So as the polka dotting tool, I'm using a bobby pin, which I just bent and opened, and then some nail polish on the tip, and I'm dotting that all over the base of the charger. I've seen a lot of people use bobby pins as a dotting tool for nail art, so I decided to try it out as like a way to decorate your phone charger. So I went in with two different nail polish colors, both kind of purple tones, and dotted it all over my phone charger, and I think it kind of gave it a cool look. The final DIY we're going to be doing is making rainbow highlighters. So for this, you're just going to need some different color highlighters. Obviously, this is what a normal highlighter looks like, but we are going to spice it up and make it more interesting. So taking the yellow and the pink, I am dotting them together. Then I'm doing the same with the blue and the yellow, and then when you go to use it, you're going to have a rainbow highlighter. I think this is so cool. I love this, and it will only last for a little while. It will go back to normal. Like if I were to use it now, it'd just be yellow again, but you can always put the colors together and make it rainbow when you want, or you can use it as a normal highlighter when you want. So that is all for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and turn on your notifications. And yeah, I will see you guys next time with a brand new video. Bye!